When selecting a Romex stapler, several factors contribute to its suitability for electrical wiring projects. Firstly, consider durability. A heavy-duty stapler constructed from robust materials like steel will withstand frequent use and resist damage in demanding work environments. Secondly, prioritize jam resistance. A stapler with a well-designed mechanism that minimizes staple jams will enhance efficiency and reduce frustration during installation. Thirdly, evaluate staple capacity. A stapler that holds a significant number of staples will minimize reloading interruptions, particularly in large-scale projects. Fourthly, assess the stapler's compatibility with Romex cable sizes. Ensure the stapler is designed to accommodate the specific dimensions of the Romex cables you intend to use, preventing damage or improper installation. Fifthly, consider the presence of a built-in wire cutter. This feature eliminates the need for a separate cutting tool, streamlining the wiring process and saving time. Sixthly, examine the stapler's ergonomic design. A comfortable grip and balanced weight distribution will reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use. Seventhly, evaluate the stapler's ease of use in tight spaces. A compact and maneuverable stapler will facilitate installation in confined areas such as attics or crawl spaces. Eighthly, consider the option of a cordless stapler. Cordless models offer greater mobility and freedom of movement, particularly in jobs where you need to move around frequently. Ninthly, assess the stapler's power source. Cordless staplers typically utilize lithium-ion batteries, so consider the battery's voltage, amperage hour rating, and charging time. Tenthly, consider the stapler's versatility. Some staplers can also be used as nailers, providing added functionality for various construction tasks. When choosing a specific model, consider these aspects. The Klein Tools 32475 cable stapler is known for its durability and heavy-duty construction, making it suitable for securing Romex cable. Its jam-resistant mechanism minimizes interruptions, and the built-in wire cutter streamlines the wiring process. The Milwaukee 48.22 3338 18-gauge compact stapler is a lightweight and compact option that is easy to use, even in tight spaces. It can staple up to 100 staples at a time and features a convenient built-in staple remover. The Arrow T50 heavy-duty cable stapler is designed for heavy-duty applications and can handle a variety of wire sizes, including Romex cable. Its durable all-steel construction and comfortable rubber grip enhance its usability. The Stanley Bostitch T28 brad nailer is a versatile tool that can also be used as a stapler, making it a good choice for securing Romex cable. Its powerful motor and depth adjustment knob allow for precise nailing. The Makita DS Tone 111 18V LXD lithium-ion cordless stapler is ideal for jobs where you need to move around frequently. It is lightweight and compact, and it can staple up to 200 staples on a single charge. When using any stapler for electrical wiring, always adhere to the National Electrical Code NEC guidelines and local electrical codes. Ensure that the staples are properly sized and installed to avoid damaging the cable insulation. Never staple through the cable itself, as this can create a safety hazard. Always de-energize the circuit before working on any electrical wiring. Before stapling, inspect the Romex cable for any signs of damage, such as cuts or abrasions. If damage is present, replace the cable before proceeding. Ensure that the stapler is compatible with the type of Romex cable you are using, such as non-metallic sheath cable NM cable or underground feeder cable UF cable. When stapling Romex cable, maintain proper spacing between staples. The NEC typically requires staples to be placed within 12 inches of an electrical box and every 4.5 feet along the run of the cable. Avoid over-tightening the staples, as this can damage the cable insulation. The staples should be snug but not constricting. When stapling Romex cable to wooden studs or joists, ensure that the staples are driven straight and securely into the wood. Avoid angling the staples, as this can weaken the connection. If you are stapling Romex cable to metal studs or joists, use staples specifically designed for metal applications. These staples typically have a sharp point that can penetrate the metal without damaging the cable. When stapling Romex cable in damp or wet locations, use staples made from corrosion-resistant materials, such as stainless steel or zinc-plated steel. These staples will prevent rust and ensure a long-lasting connection. After stapling the Romex cable, inspect the installation to ensure that the cables are securely fastened and that there are no loose connections. Correct any issues before energizing the circuit. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE), such as safety glasses and gloves, when working with electrical wiring and staplers. Before using any stapler, read and understand the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines. Proper stapling of Romex cable is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your wiring projects are completed safely and efficiently. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, so if you are not comfortable performing the work yourself, consult with a qualified electrician. The selection of a Romex stapler depends greatly on the specific needs of the electrical project at hand. For smaller residential jobs, a lightweight and compact stapler may suffice. However, for larger commercial or industrial projects, a heavy-duty and durable stapler is essential. Consider the type of Romex cable being used. Different types of Romex cable have different dimensions, and the stapler must be compatible with the cable size to ensure a secure and proper installation. Take into account the working environment. In tight spaces or difficult to reach areas, a compact and maneuverable stapler is advantageous. Also, for outdoor or damp locations, ensure that the staples are made from corrosion-resistant materials. Evaluate the available power source. Cordless staplers offer greater flexibility and mobility, but they require a battery and charger. Corded staplers provide continuous power, but may limit mobility. Consider the overall budget. Romex staplers vary in price, and it's important to find a stapler that meets your needs without exceeding your budget. Don't compromise on quality for the sake of saving money. A durable and reliable stapler will save you time and frustration in the long run. Read online reviews and compare different models before making a purchase. Customer reviews can provide valuable insights into the performance and reliability of different Romex staplers. Consult with experienced electricians or electrical supply professionals. They can offer expert advice and recommendations based on your specific needs and project requirements. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electrical wiring. Follow all applicable codes and regulations, and if you are not comfortable performing the work yourself, hire a qualified electrician. When stapling Romex cable, ensure that the cable is properly supported and protected from physical damage. Avoid stapling the cable in areas where it may be exposed to moisture, chemicals, or extreme temperatures. If you are running Romex cable through walls or ceilings, use cable staples or supports to keep the cable securely in place and prevent it from sagging or becoming damaged. When stapling Romex cable to metal surfaces, use insulated staples or supports to prevent the cable from coming into contact with the metal. This will help to prevent electrical shorts and ensure the safety of the installation. Regularly inspect the stapled Romex cable for any signs of damage or deterioration. If you find any problems, repair or replace the cable as needed. By following these tips, you can ensure that your Romex cable installations are safe, reliable, and compliant with all applicable codes and regulations. The ultimate goal is to create a safe and functional electrical system that will provide years of reliable service.